Hello, hi, and namaste everyone out there. You're watching MTR Travel Show with me, your travel lover host, Prakriti. To travel is to live. Taking a bus from Samakhusi Chowk to Jhor can be the cheapest and easiest way to reach Jhor to enjoy the waterfall.
Fixing up a car, driving it again, searching for the water, hoping for the rain. Up and up, up and up. Down upon the canvas, working in a meal, waiting for a
Filled with natural beauty, this place is peaceful and free from the crowd and noise of Kathmandu Valley.
See a bird form a diamond in a rough, see a bird soaring high, but the flood is in your blood. It's in your blood. Underneath the storm, an umbrella is saying, sitting with the boys and takes away the pain. Up and up, up and up. Saying, we're gonna get it together right now. We're gonna get it together somehow. We're gonna get it together and fly. Whoa, we're gonna get it together, I know. We're gonna get it together and flow. We're gonna get it together and go up and up and up.
The cool breeze, the sweet sound of chirping birds, the sweet smell of nature, the sound of waterfall makes the mind really peaceful. If you want to take break from the crowdness and noise of Kathmandu, Baudeswar Jharna, Jhor can be the most perfect and nearest destination.